Juancito, what are you making?
Russian salad.
Russian salad?
Russian salad is very typical in Spain.
Why? That's Russian.
I don't know why. It's mashed potato with tuna, with olives, with boiled egg,
And onion.
and we can put carrot, but it has to be soft.
Oh, you could put carrot.
We'll put some carrot.
Do you want to put one carrot? You didn't answer me.
Yeah.
You're avoiding carrot. So now we are boiling the egg. How many minutes for boiling the egg?
The eggs,
Yeah.
10 to 15 minutes.
Oh, so have to be all cooked. Cooked.
Yeah, really.
This is
6 eggs, no?
6
5 or
eggs.
6.
And how many potatoes you use?
7 or 8 potatoes.
And this is a carrot.
Yeah. I'm gonna remove the skin. And we will boil the carrot with the potatoes at the same time for like half an hour.
You really have good skill for cutting.
Yeah. Because when I was a child, my father teach me how to eat apples.
Normally we Asian don't use that. We have a tool.
I know. That's all for everything. I am your too.
No.
And then it's a flour. We are going to cover this with water.
And wait for 30 minutes.
Yeah, roughly 30 minutes.
Okay.
It's covered. Now fire.
Okay. Now we.
Now that everything is very soft, we can just cut it easily. We can remove the water. And now we can add the egg. Easy to peel it off because it comes off. And my favorite way to do it is to do a ring all around.
It's not my favorite. I'm going to show you.
Okay. And
You do it first.
This is very, very fast because once you have the ring, it's very easy to remove.
You know, I have video. I know how much time you spend.
Comes.
Okay.
We wash it very well because we don't want shell in our Russian salad.
Okay. My turn.
And this is not the best way, obviously.
It's the best way I
pretty fast.
Yes.
Okay, maybe this is faster.
Don't put your left hand there. Yeah.
Wow, that's really good. Wow. What is that? Okay, we have eggs, potato, carrot. Now we'll put the tuna.
I can't see your tuna. Okay, tuna.
Like, depends on the size, but maybe 5 cans if they are small.
Yeah, okay.
2 of olive oil.
So if 2 of that, what do you mean 2?
Yeah, 2 bottles.
So 8 potato, 6 egg, and 5 tuna cans.
2 carrots.
Hmm.
2 bottles of olives. And mayonnaise.
We use aioli for
Yeah.
that, and we are going to make by ourselves, right?
Yeah, much more healthy. Okay, and the best is to put it in a bowl like this.
Mm-hmm.
This goes to the cycle. And now tuna. That's it. It's very simple dish and very healthy.
So actually, you just boiled everything and
Yeah.
Then-
nothing's fried.
then mix.
Yeah. And now we have to mix it all together. And for this, we need to smash the potato
And eggs, right?
and the eggs. The eggs, yeah. Where are the eggs? So one way to do this. Alright.
To make aioli by ourselves. So a little bit of garlic. Okay. And then a little bit mustard.
Mustard.
Okay. Just push up and down, up and down. I just do it very freestyle. I will add the oil later.
By the way, this has to be olive oil. Please don't do this with another type of oil. Take it down.
But you can feel it's more thicker. Right? When you see the restaurant,
You should use whisk. It's faster. It's just because I don't have it now.
Feel the noise of well cooked, well prepared Russian salad. And now, to finish, maybe for presentation. Voila! Russian salad for 4 or 5 persons. A bit of vodka and you're ready to go.
Yay! How's that?
Very good.